Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 2, which is fractions and decimal. So first we'll see what is fractions. As you have already learned about fractions in your previous classes, so let us see once again. The word fraction derives from the Latin word fractus, which means broken, and it represents a part of a whole. It means fraction is a some part of a whole number which consists of a number of equal parts out of a whole. Let us see one example. Slices of a pizza. Here you can see, here we have divided pizza into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. It means this one is the first part, second part, third part, fourth part. So this one we can write in fraction in the form of 1 upon 4. It means out of 4 parts, this is the first part. This one is also 1 upon 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. And if we add all the 4 parts, we'll get as a whole number. So we can say that the word fraction is a part of a whole. Or you can see next one, a pizza is divided into how many parts? 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can represent fraction in the form of 1 upon 5. It means this one part is first part out of 5 parts. So 1 upon 5, it also 1 by 5. It means if we divide it into 5 parts, then you have to write 1 upon 5. And if we divide into 4 parts, then we'll write it as 1 by 4. Then we'll see how to represent fraction. A fraction is represented by two numbers on top of each other separated by a line. The number on the top is known as numerator and the number below which we write is known as denominator. For example, 3 upon 4, which means 3 parts out of 4 equal division. It means out of 4 parts we are taking how many parts? 3 parts, where 3 is numerator and 4 is denominator. After this we will see types of fractions. So first is proper fraction. A fraction a upon b. A is numerator, b is denominator. So fraction a by b is called proper fraction if b is greater than a. That is, numerator is less than denominator. You can see 5 upon 7, 10 upon 17. These are known as proper fraction. You can here 5 is less than 7, 10 is less than 17. If numerator is less than denominator, then we can call it as proper fraction. Then improper fraction. Improper means opposite of proper. A fraction a upon b is called improper fraction if a is greater than b, or we can say that if numerator is greater than denominator. Then 7 upon 5, 15 by 11. You can see 7 is greater than 5, 15 is greater than 11. Here numerator is greater than denominator. So this one is improper fraction. Now third, decimal fraction. Decimal means point by which we represent a number by decimal point. A fraction whose denominator is a whole number 10, 100, 1000. This type of fraction is known as decimal fraction. So examples are 3 by 10, 71 by 100, 52 by 1000. You can see here fraction is given in the form of tens, hundreds and thousands. So this type of fraction is known as decimal fraction. Then vulgar fraction. A fraction whose denominator is a whole number other than 10, 100, 1000, etc. is called a vulgar fraction. Here it means other than 10, 1000 and 100. If denominator is given with different numbers, then you can say that this type of fraction is known as vulgar fraction. Then mixed fraction. A mixed fraction means it consists whole number and proper fraction both. Proper fraction means where numerator is less than denominator. So 2 is a whole number. It means there is no any part. Whole means complete number. 2, 3 upon 5. 6, 1 by 7. Here you can see 1 by 7 is a proper fraction as numerator is less than denominator. So a mixed means which consists both whole numbers and a proper fraction. Now we'll see how to change mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction as mixed fraction. So first one, 2, 3 by 5. So first you multiply 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10 and we add the numerator number plus 3. So 2 5s are 10 plus 3, 13 upon 5. Now if you want to change 7 by 4, that improper fraction into mixed fraction, here you have to divide you have to divide 7 by 4. So if you divide this, 4 ones are 4 and 3 remainder will be there. So remainder you have to write on the top and denominator as it is, and the quotient, the answer which come, you have to write in between. So you can see, you can check this one. 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 upon 4. Here you have to multiply this two number, 5 twos are 10. After that you have to add the numerator number and denominator will be as it is. The equivalent fraction. How to find the equivalent fractions? The value of a fraction is not changed by multiplying or dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Equivalent fraction means if we divide or multiply numerator and denominator by that number, we should get the given equivalent fraction. For example, here we have to find equivalent fraction of 2 upon 5. So first 2 upon 5 is already given. If you want to find next 5, so first you multiply by 2, both numerator and denominator. So 4 by 10. If you again divide 4 by 10 by 2 table, then you will get 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, which is equal to 2 by 5 only. Then after 2 we have to multiply by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 5 3s are 15. If you divide 6 by 15 by 3, so 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Again you will get 2 upon 5. So for finding the equivalent fraction, you have to multiply, you have to write, or we can say that you have to write the table of the given number. On numerator you have to write the table of 2, and in denominator you have to write the table of 5. Then comparison of fraction. How to compare the given two fraction? So case 1, when the two fractions having the same denominator, then the fraction with greater numerator will be greater than the other. For example, 12 by 17 and 8 by 17. Here you can see denominator are equal. So we have to compare its numerator. So 12 by 17, 8 by 17. So which one is greater? 12 by 17, as 12 is greater than 8. If numerator are equal or same, then you have to compare its numerator, and the number and the numerator with greater value will be the greater fraction. Then case second, when the two fractions having the same numerator, then the fraction with smaller denominator is greater than the other. For example, out of 12 by 5 and 12 by 11, here you can see here numerators are equal. So we have to compare its denominator. So 5 and 11. Here you can see with 11 is greater than 5. But we have seen that when two fractions having the same numerator, then the fraction with smaller denominator is greater than other. So the fraction which has smaller denominator will be the greater than the next the given fraction. So 12 by 5 is greater than 12 by 11. Then case 3, if we are comparing two or more fractions in general, then they are reduced to two equivalent like fractions, and then the fraction having the greater numerator is greater than the other. If in any fraction, if numerator and denominator both are different, so first we will make the denominator equivalent, after that we will compare its numerator. So we will see this case in our exercise questions. Now we'll start our exercise 2.1. 2.1, first question is given 4 plus 7 by 8. Here it means we have to add the two number. Here you can see there is no any denominator is given under 4. So we can write it as 4 upon 1. So 4 by 1 plus 7 by 8. Here you can see they are not having same denominator. So for making the same denominator, first we will take the LCM. So LCM of 1 and 8. If you find the LCM of 1 and 8, it will be as 8 only. Now here we will see in 1 by which number we should multiply to get 8 here. So we multiply by 8. If you multiply denominator by 8, then we have to multiply numerator also by 8. So 4 8s are 4 into 8 plus, here 8 is already given, so multiply by 1. Therefore we will also multiply 7 by 1 only. So 4 into 8 plus 7 into 1 upon 8. So 4 8s are 32 plus 7 ones are 7. So 32 plus 7, 39. So 4 into 8, 4 8s are 32 plus 7 ones are 7 upon 8. So 32 plus 7, 39 upon 8. If we add 4 plus 7 by 8, we'll get the answer 39 by 8. Second one, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Now it is given subtraction. You can see that it is both are having different denominator. So for subtracting, first we'll make the same denominator, and we can make it by taking LCM. So we'll take the LCM of 3 and 5. So LCM of 3 and 5 is, so how to take the LCM? 3 comma, first we'll take the LCM of 3 and 5. So first 3 ones are 3 and 5 as it is. Now we'll take 5. 5 ones are 5. So LCM will be, we will multiply this 2. 5 3s are 15. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Now we have to see that in 3, by which number we should multiply to get 15 here? We have to multiply by 5. So in 2 also we multiply by 5 only. So 2 into 5 minus. Now in 5, for getting 15, we will multiply by 3. So numerator in 1 also we have to multiply by 3. So 1 into 3 upon 15. So 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3. So 10 minus 3 upon 15, which is equal to 7 upon 15. Question number 3, 4 minus 5 by 7. Here denominator is not given. It means you have to take here 1. So this one is your homework. Question number 4, 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. This question number 3rd and 4th is same as question number 2nd. You have to solve it by yourself. Now let's see the question number 5. 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. You can see this fraction is given in mixed fraction. So first we will change into improper fraction. As we have seen how to change, first we multiply this 2. 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 2 8. So 8 upon 3. Same here, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 upon 2. After changing into improper fraction, we have to make the same denominator. So for making same denominator, we'll take the LCM. So LCM of 3 and 2. If we take the LCM, it will come as 6. Again we'll see in 3, 4 getting 6, we multiply by 2. So in 8 also we have to multiply by 2. Same here in 2, for making the denominator as 6, we have to multiply by 3. So 7 we will multiply by 3 only. So 8 2s are 16 plus 7 3s are 21 upon 6. So 8 2s are 16 plus 21 upon 6. If we add, we will get 37 by 6. Then 6th one, 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Now first we will take the LCM. So LCM of 10, 5, 2. If we take, will come as 10. Now we have to make 10. In all the 3 fractions, we have to make the denominator with 10. So here you can see 10 is already given. It means we have to multiply by 1 only in 7. Plus in 2 by 5. For getting 10, in place of 5, we have to multiply by 2. So numerator 2 also we will multiply by 2. Then 3 by 2. For getting denominator as 10, we have to multiply 2 by 5. So numerator we also multiply by 5 only. So 7 is a 7, 2 2s are 4, 3 5s are 15. And if we add, we'll get 26 by 10. Or if we can divide this by table of 2. So 2 13s are 26, 2 5s are 10. So 13 by 5 is the final answer. Then question number 7th. 5 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Here 5 has no any denominator. It means in this place we have to write it as 1. So LCM of 1, 2, 3 and 4, if we take, we will get is 12. Now in place of 1, we have to bring 12. It means we will multiply by 12 in both numerator and denominator. So 5 into 12 plus. For getting denominator as 12, we have to multiply 2 by 6. So in 1 also multiply by 6. Then minus. In 3 we multiply by 4. So 1 also we have to multiply by 4. Plus 4 3s are 12. So 1 into 3. Now first we multiply, then we will add or subtract. So 12 5s are 60 plus 1 6 are 6 minus 1 4s are 4 and 3 1s are 3. First we'll solve pairwise. 60 plus 6, 66. Minus 4 plus 3. We know that minus plus minus. So 4 minus 3, 1. But sign will be according to bigger number. Here bigger number is 4. So sign will be of minus. So 60 minus 66 minus 1 upon 12, which is equal to 65 by 12. And question number 8, it's your homework. Now question number 2, arrange the following fractions in descending order. We know the descending order means from greater number to the smaller number. So here you can see 1 by 5, 3 by 7, 7 by 10. Here it is not easy to find which one is greater and smaller number. For finding this one, first we will make all the fraction with same denominator. After that we can compare it. So first we will take the LCM of 5, 7 and 10. If we take the LCM, we will get answer as 70. So we will take 1 by 1. 1 by 5. First, we will see that in 5, by which number we have to multiply to get 70. So there is one method that you have to divide 70 by 5. If you divide 70 by 5, you will get answer as 14. It means you have to multiply 14 by 5 to get 17. By same number you multiply in numerator also. So 14 ones are 14 and 14 5s are 17. Then next fraction 3 by 7. In 7, by which number we have to multiply to get 70? By 10. Or for finding this number, you have to divide 70 by 7. If you divide 70 by 7, you will get answer as 10. It means you have to multiply by 10. Same will multiply by 10 in numerator also. So 30 by 70. And last fraction 7 by 10. So in 10, for getting 70, we have to multiply by 7. So numerator also multiply by 7. So 7 7s are 49, 10 7s are 70. Now descending order means from greatest to smallest number. So first we will write the greatest number. 49 by 70. After that 30 by 70 and 14 by 70. Now we have to write the fractions which is given in the question. So you can see 49 by 70 is the answer of 7 by 10. So in place of this we will write here 7 by 10, which is greater than. This one sign you have to use for descending order. It means 7 by 10 is greater than 3 by 7, which is greater than 1 by 5. In place of 30 by 70, it is the answer of 3 by 7. So you have to write 3 by 7. And 14 by 70 is the answer of 1 by 5. So here in this place you have to write 1 by 5. Then question number 2. This one is same as first one and you have to solve it by yourself. It's your homework. Then question number 3. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order. We know that ascending order means from smaller to greatest number. So 15 by 16, 17 by 18, 11 by 12. Here you can see that denominators are different. For comparing, first we have to make the same denominator. So for making the same denominator, we have to take LCM. LCM of 16, 18 and 12. And if we find the LCM, we will get the answer as 144. So 15 by 16. Now we have to make the denominator as 144. So how to find that? By which number we should multiply in 16 to get 144? The best method is divide 144 by 16. If you divide 144 by 16, you will get the quotient as 9. It means you have to multiply 16 by 9 to get answer as 144. So by the same number we have to multiply by 9 in numerator also. So 15 into 9, 135, 16 into 9, 144. Second one, 17 by 18 into. Again, for bringing the 144 denominator, you have to divide 144 by 18. You will get the answer as 8. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 8. So 17 into 8, 136 and 18 is a 144. Last fraction is 11 by 12. So 11 by 12. First divide 144 by 12. If you divide 144 by 12, you will get the answer as 12. Same, we have to multiply by 12 in numerator also. So if we multiply it, we'll get 132 by 144. Now using this, we have to arrange in ascending order. So first we'll see the smallest number. The smallest number is 132. So 132 by 1. Now you can see that your denominators are equal. It means now we can compare this one. So first you'll see the smallest numerator. Smallest numerator is 132. So 132 upon 144. After that is 135. So 135 by 144. Then last one 136 upon 144. Now you have to write 132 by 144, which is which fraction answer is this? It is of 11 by 12. So you have to write in place of this 11 by 12. Then 135, 144 is the answer of 15 by 16. So you have to write by 15 by 16. And last one is 17 by 18, which is the answer of 136 by 144. And ascending means here 11 by 12 is less than 15 by 16, which is less than 17 by 18. So this one symbol is used for ascending order. Question number 2, 13 by 27, 17 by 35, 13 by 36 and 12 by 25. So for arranging an ascending order, first you have to take the LCM of 27, 35, 36 and 25. After taking the LCM, you have to make all the fractions with same denominator and you have to arrange in ascending order. I hope you all know how to find the LCM. Then question number 4. Write 17 as fraction with the denominator 196 and 448. Here denominator is already given and fraction is given 17. So given fraction is 17. So we can write it as 17 upon 1. Now we have to write 17 upon 1 with the denominator. Means in denominator we have to bring 196 and 448. Here 1 is already given. So by which number we should multiply in 196 to get with the denominator 196 only. So here directly you have to multiply 196 in denominator with 1. If you multiply by 196 in denominator, with the same number you have to multiply in numerator also. So we'll multiply 17 upon 1 with 196 in both numerator and denominator. And if we multiply, we'll get the answer as 3332 upon 196. And now we have to write 17 upon 1 as fraction as denominator with 448. It means this place, at this place we have to bring 448. So how can we bring? If we multiply 448 by 1, then only we'll get the answer 448. So if you multiply 448 in denominator, by the same number you have to multiply it with numerator also. 17 into 448, if you multiply this, we'll get 7616 upon 448. So 3332 plus 196 and 7616 upon 448, it is the fraction of 17 as denominator with denominator 196 and 448. Then question number 5. Express the following mixed fraction as improper fraction. As we have seen in before an example also how to change, we have to multiply this both numbers. First you multiply 7 into 241. So 241 into 7. After multiplying you have to add the numerator. So plus 6. So 241 into 7. First we have to multiply this one. After that you have to add 6. If we solve this, we'll get the answer 1693 upon 7. Don't forget to write the denominator. The same 7 will be as it is given in the question only. Second one, 144 9 by 11. Same here, 144 into 11. After that you have to add 9 upon 11 only. If you multiply 144 into 11, you'll get 1694 plus 9 upon 11. After that we have to add. So 1703 upon 11 is the improper fraction of the given mixed fraction. So third and fourth you have to do by yourself as question number 1 and 2. Then question number 6. A magic square, the sum of numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonal is the same. Is this a magic square? As we had this type of question in chapter 1 also. Magic square means in which the sum of rows, the sum of columns and the sum of diagonal is same. So we have to check whether this given square is a magic square or not. So here these are the rows. 4 by 11, 9 by 11. Horizontal is rows and vertical is column. Now we'll see its solution. So first we'll find sum along the first row. So first row is 4 by 11, 9 by 11 plus 2 by 11. So you can see that here denominators are given equal. If denominators are same, then directly we have to add the numerator. So 4 plus 9 and 2. So 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 4, 15 upon 11. Then sum along the second row. Second row is 3 by 11, 5 by 11, 7 by 11. So 3 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 7 by 11. Here you can see if in any fraction denominators are given same or equal, then directly we have to add the numerator. So 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 upon 11. Now I'll find the sum of third row. So 8 by 11, 1 by 11, 6 by 11. And if we add, we'll get the answer as 15 by 11 only. Now I'll find the sum along columns. Column is this one. This is the first column, second column, third column. So first column is 4 by 11, 3 by 11, 8 by 11. So sum along the first column is 4 by 11, 3 by 11 plus 8 by 11. So 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 8, 15 by 11. Sum of second column 9, 5 and 1 by 11. So 9 by 11, 5 by 11 and 1 by 11. So 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 1, 15 by 11. And the last, the sum of third column 2 by 11, 7 by 11 and 6 by 11. And if we add, all this number will get us 15 by 11. The next step is to find the sum of diagonals. Diagonal is this column 4, 5, 11, 5 by 11, 6 by 11. And second diagonal is 7 by 11, 2 by 11, 5 by 11 and 8 by 11. So first we'll find the sum of first diagonal. 4 by 11, 5 by 11 and 6 by 11. If we add, we'll get 15 by 11. Same we find the sum along the second diagonal, we'll get the same answer 15 by 11. So you can see that if the sum of rows, all the columns and all the diagonals are equal to 15 by 11. So yes, the sum of numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonal is same. So it is a magic square. Then the last question of today's class, question number 7. A rectangular sheet of paper is 11 3 by 4 centimeter long and 10 1 by 2 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Here you can see length of rectangular is given 11 3 by 4 centimeter and wide means its breadth is 10 1 by 2 centimeter. We have to find its perimeter. We know that the perimeter for rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So from the question, first write its length and breadth. So long means length 11 3 by 4. You can see it is given in mixed fraction. So first we'll change into improper fraction. So we'll multiply 4 by 11. So 4 into 11, 44. 44 plus 3, 47 by 4 centimeter. And breadth is given 10 1 by 2. So first we'll change into mixed improper fraction. So 2 tens are 20. 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 centimeter, which is its breadth. Now I'll put the value of length and breadth. Now we have to put the value of length and breadth in its perimeter formula. So we know that the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into length is 47 by 4 and breadth is 21 by 2. But you can see that here denominators are not equal. For making the same denominator, first we'll take the LCM of 2 and 4. And if we take the LCM of 2 and 4, we'll get the LCM which is equal to 4 only. So here 4 is already given. It means in 47 we have to multiply by 1 plus. Here denominator 21 is 2. Now we have to make 21 by 2 as with the denominator 4. So by which number we should multiply in 2? By 2. For getting 4 we multiply by 2 in this given denominator as 2. So by 2 we will multiply in numerator also. So 21 into 2 slash 4. Here you can see that slash 4 means it is the common denominator of 47 and 21 into 1 plus 21 into 2 upon 4. So 47 ones are 47 plus 21 into 2, 42 upon 4. See this, the meaning of this line is this one. So 2 into 47 plus 42, 89 upon 4. So 2 into 89 upon 4. So you can write it as, now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So we can write it as 89 by 2. If we change into a mixed fraction, it means we will divide 89 by 2, and if we divide 89 by 2, we will get 44 as quotient and remainder as 1. So quotient, the answer which you get by dividing 89 by 2, you have to write in middle, and the remainder you have to write on the top. So 44 1 by 2 centimeter is the perimeter of the sheet of paper. Now we'll see the next question of our exercise on the next day of our